Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Now I got this package. Let's take a look. Open it up. Okay, let's see. Qu'est-ce que vous nous mijotez? Gaovot. Gaovot. These are skirts. And they say you can choose. This is a winner unboxing, but I do not get paid. They just send me so that I can wear it. And it's kind of nylon, or it's kind of there is no wrinkle. It's good for traveling. It's not cotton. It's synthetic fabric. Synthetic fabric, and the way to weaving it, they twisted the thread, because I did import-export business, so I know a little bit about it. So they twisted the thread, and when they weave it, it becomes like a very, very smooth surface and not so much wrinkle. Only when you have really hard wrinkle. Maybe this is when do the packaging or do the production, it's hard wrinkle, it becomes wrinkle. Otherwise, it's no wrinkle and very good for traveling. It's usually used by, oh, this one is different. Usually by recycled fiber or the different kind of fiber. Anyway, this is not a pure cotton. It's cotton and the synthetic fiber blend together, so there is no wrinkle. 3 of them, and they say you can get, it's quite inexpensive. You can get as many as you like. I asked for 4, and they have only 3 available. So these are the 3. Now, let me try it on. Okay, so this is the blue one. I think it's okay. Don't you think so? This one, I think it has it's reasonable. Open. Oh, it's so easy to walk. Oh my goodness. So easy to walk. You can walk like a boss. Okay, so this one is the green one. Very comfortable, very comfortable. I think it has, oh yeah, another layer in it. Yeah, 2 layers. Now the red. Let's take a look at the red. It's so easy to walk, so comfortable. Okay, that's it. Thank you very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Bye bye.